smell of the trench air. Yeah, y'all, we finna be outside today, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. It's been probably about 20 days since I done dropped. My fault. But y'all know when I ain't dropped, we cooking up with something for sure. Right now, I'm finna go ahead and take the doors off. Scat. Yeah, Ghost finna go ahead and get the doors taken off. It's really finna probably be the first what? Scat Rubicon. That's what she finna be today, Scat Rubicon. But yeah, we in there on him and J-Rock. I'm just saying though. So I mean you already got a Durango, but I'm saying though, Rubicon Scat though. Which is crazy. They do have the 6.4 in the Rubicon. But that's a Rubicon. That's what I'm saying. But that ain't no Scat though. This Scat Rubicon. You can't call it this a 6.4 Rubicon. I don't even think they even the SRT.
Scatcon?
Huh?
Scatcon? Really can go with it. I mean, you can't really say no Scat Rubicon, because a Rubicon really a Jeep.
It's a Jeep, but with the doors off, it's still.
It's lit. I mean,
with the 6.4
package.
I get
with the doors
Scat
off.
Wrangler.
You know what I'm saying? With the doors off.
But nah, the Wrangler, that's the basic junk. Rubicon, that's the big boy. This the big body junk. The Wrangler to me, that's the little boy Jeep. I'm sorry. The Rubicon, that's the big boy junk.
I think it still be more bad.
We'll see. We'll get over with it. But yeah, we finna go and take the doors out this junk right now. The only thing that I do see is we gotta take these four 1, 2, 3, 4 off and unplug this plug. And this really should be it. I don't know how long this finna take. It should take about 10-15 minutes. But for y'all, it finna go ahead and take probably about 2 seconds. So hold on. Alright, y'all, we got both the doors off. I ain't gonna, bro, like I said, Scat Rubicon, bro. These junks got a little weight on them. But I heard the Charger junks kind of heavier than these junks. But yeah, come on now. Y'all ready to go ahead and see this junk, y'all? Golly. Bam. Come on now, quit playing. Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all, what y'all think about the Scat Rubicon? Right now, I'm finna go ahead and take my 2 bumper guards off. This is what I call it, the bumper guards off. And I'm gonna respray them. Y'all, the rocks eating these junks up, which I knew was gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take these junks off, scuff them with my scuff pad, and I'm gonna just respray them, like, and it gonna dry just like that. So I'm finna go ahead and do that, and I'm finna go ahead and just throw a little water on it, cause it's a little dusty, and I'm finna go ahead and just wipe it off. See, told I know how to wash car out. Told make sure y'all get it to kids. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and do all that, because we are actually late to where we are supposed to go. But you know we finna be on YN activity. Right now, y'all, we looking good. Come on, that tie shined up. Yeah. The next thing I gotta do is put my bumper guards back on. They drying right now. But other than that, we beam teamed up. Just off water. Y'all, this just beamed up off water. No soap, just straight water. Come on now, Toast. Get it, the kid. Yeah. Y'all, I wanna know, this just add about what, 50 horses? They had about 50 horses on it. About 50 on. But I'm finna go ahead and put everything back up, and shoot, we finna go beat the streets down. Yes, sir. Yeah, I really just testing out just to see if it was gonna work. I ain't should sound good. And she beamed up. Yeah, told we gonna start YN that thing tonight, sorry. But I really just cranked it up. I really just cranked it up just to see if it was gonna actually work with the door being off. So I guess the remote start still works. I don't know if it worked with the trunk up though. If the trunk up or the hood open, but I guess with the doors off, it worked. Tough. Yeah, how I come though? How I come though? If I had to change clothes, you can't go wrong with all white bricks, y'all. Like it with the white tee on. You can't go wrong with the all white bricks. I'm about to go down the street and go beat the block down right quick. Just see how fast it is right now. Hey, watch it, watch it. I'm gonna get it with y'all. Like I really just locked the door. Y'all, oh my God. These joints so loud, y'all. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, I don't know why it feels so light. Of course, for sure, because of the door. It for sure feel light, though. Yes, sir. Wait till my brother get back in the car, y'all. We finna blitz this, man. What's up with it? Like new ride?
No, it's my family.
Huh?
It's my family. No, it's
You can't go with me. You can't go with me. You can't go with me, doggy. Can't. Where he gonna come from? Can't go with me, doggy.
You keep it. You get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it off for a little minute.
You leave.
Sit.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. You ready?
Yeah.
I have to go ahead and take her.
Yeah. You take it.
No, I don't want her. she gonna be coming back for y'all.
What happened to the door?
Huh?
Hey, you gotta choose this car.
Huh?
Your brother, I gotta.
Yeah, I'm finna go get him right now. Yeah, I'm finna go get him right now.
What happened to the door?
I just took him off. You doing the video? Yup.
You know,
Okay.
Whatever
Okay.
you need, something.
I got you.
Family.
I got
You
you.
got it.
I got you.
Okay, baby.
Watch out, dog. Watch out. Oh, okay. He straight. He straight. No, dog, you can't go with me. It's just crazy. I can really stop with my feet. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, this stuff really funny, y'all. Straight like this. Alright, I'm gonna get it with y'all. My God, this stuff's so funny, y'all. This stuff too funny. Right now, I'm finna go ahead and go to the gas station. Y'all finna go ahead and get some gas station lights. I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. Let's hit another block right quick. I might need to go on finish it right quick. Get a little used to it. Yeah, this jump feels so light, bro. This jump feels stupid light. I want to find a coolest spot though. It really could be a little cool this just sounds so butter. It just so loud, child. I ain't gonna lie. I knew my car was loud from like coming down the block and stuff. But like with these doors on, I think I be scaring folks. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm finna go ahead and feel this on right quick. Hold on. Yeah, this ain't tough though. Good job. Put the bottom out. How you doing? Let me get 40 on pump 7.
40 on which one?
Pump 7.
Okay.
Don't lie though, y'all. Like I said, this stuff really tough though. It really hard. What you come on now? What the light piece talking about? Different. Like Scat Rubicon. Like I might continue this video till tomorrow. Like it feel good too. Like Scat Rubicon, no doubt.
Really, I feel like the camera don't really do justice for what the
eye see. Like no, I hate that the camera really don't be doing no just like y'all. This junk tough. Like it's really black on black. Like junk tough, y'all. Don't like we finna continue to beat the block down. We in action. And I fell out. Yeah. No phone know you won't eat. Yeah. Got that 10-speed motor putting that E over it. Come on now. Come on now. Yeah. Told y'all know I'm Chevy. Y'all heart for life. Like hard about one of the hardest one in the city. No cap. Come on now. Y'all can see on the video, y'all know this, my boy. Toby, come on, man. And he got the green light with the, hold on, with the green brake caliber. Hold on. With the green, come on now. Real Buzz Lightyear. Y'all need to hear this junk. It just sound like a jet. Yeah, we got them black and blue boys. Come on now. Chevy versus Dodge. Yeah.
The next day.
Back at it, outside again, no count. We got him and J-Rock in the Hemi today. Come on now, quit playing. We finna really go ahead and go beam these just up again, though. We had got dirty yesterday. on that, dog. Let me hear that, y'all fool. That's not cute. I ain't gonna lie. I think this sound like a 2023, y'all. That's not clean. That's not still slow. That's not still slow, little bro. That's not still slow, little bro. Come on, though. Yeah. Hey, come on now. Back in the Scat Rubicon. We gave it to him for yesterday, I ain't gonna lie. We ain't do. We giving it today too. Oh! Those out this are literally has it lighter for sure. Like these are blind. And yes, y'all, yes, we have the seatbelt on. Yes. Think I'm finna flip up out this junk? No, not doing that one. Look at him. Hold on, let me go ahead and give it to y'all right quick. Let me go ahead and give it to y'all right quick. I got y'all. Hold on. I got y'all. Got y'all. I got y'all. Come on now. Some slight, some butter. We in Mexico doing this, y'all, so you know, we don't, you know. We went straight from Memphis to Mexico. So you know Mexico right next to Memphis. So. But yeah, right now I'm finna go ahead pull up and go get a water hose. I'm finna go ahead and beat both these jumps up and head to the resident. Alright, y'all. They really old with we just got done putting the door back on. This y'all was actually a simple put on and take off. So 4 bolts, unplug the door, you should be straight. We had fun. Like I said, we gonna do it again. Probably in this video. In the future, I'm gonna go and take both doors off and probably take the hood off and beat the street up. Come on now. But we had fun. I'll probably be sweating a little bit, but we had fun. Y'all know you're trying to go like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all the above. We're going to all 2025, bring y'all nothing but lit content. Peace. See y'all in this video.